Are you ready to revolutionize your SEO strategy? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to optimize your website, create killer content, and outsmart your competition in search rankings. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model that can generate human-like text. But did you know it can also be your ultimate SEO assistant? From keyword research to content ideas, and even on-page optimization, ChatGPT has your back. Key benefits: fast and reliable, saves time and effort, enhances creativity. First things first, keyword research. Simply ask ChatGPT, what are some trending keywords for your niche? It will generate a list of terms you can target. From there, you can refine these keywords using SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to check for search volume and difficulty. Next, let's create some content. Ask ChatGPT to draft an outline or even write an engaging blog post. For example, write a blog outline on the top 10 SEO strategies for 2025. Boom! You've got an outline ready in seconds. Just make sure to fact-check and add your personal touch before publishing. Need meta descriptions or SEO-friendly headers? ChatGPT can help with that too. Ask something like, write a meta description for my blog about SEO trends. ChatGPT makes writing high-quality, optimized content quick and painless. Want to go deeper? Here are some advanced ways to use ChatGPT for SEO. 1. Create topic clusters. Ask ChatGPT for related blog ideas to form a content hub. 2. Generate FAQs. Use prompts like, what are common questions people ask about your topic? 3. Improve internal linking. Ask, what related articles should I link to in this blog? While ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, it's not perfect. Always fact-check, especially for technical or statistical information. And remember, it's a tool, not a replacement for your expertise. That's it for today's video. ChatGPT is a game changer for SEO. And with these tips, you're ready to level up your search rankings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite ChatGPT SEO hack in the comments below. See you in the next one.